Hey guys, my name's Alicia and today I'm here with Lunata Beauty. My beautiful model Carolina and I are going to show you how to create the ultimate cool girl vibes. We are going to use the Lunata Cordless All-in-One Styler Plus. And what I'm going to do is while this guy heats up, I'm going to comb and brush out these beautiful curls because we're going to smooth them out. So I'm just going to take my detangling brush and slowly, using the Bite Me clips, I'm just going to get out any tangles. So guys, we've brushed out the tangles. I know it looks a little big, but I just wanted to show you how powerful the Cordless Styler Plus is. So I'm gonna section out the whole head, and that way we won't snag or tangle anything. And I'm just gonna take it and pull down gently. You can see from one pass how smooth I'm able to get it and how quickly. So you want to make sure you get in near the root so that you get those baby hairs. And as you can see, the beautiful thing about having a cordless iron is that I was able to just work all the way around her head with no limitation. So we've gone in, we've smoothed out all of the hair, and now we're going to go in and really kind of just get rid of the last bit of curl while keeping some volume in there. So I'm going to take her hair and pull it towards me. And then I'm gonna alternate and change the direction that I'm going in with my iron, just to give it a little bit of life on the ends. So now that I'm on the top section of her hair, I'm gonna pull everything down and towards her face. And again, the idea is that I create a nice beveled look. So Carolina is gonna go through on the other side and show you guys how she does it on herself at home. So starting at the bottom, she's going to section her hair away and just slowly smooth out any frizziness. And using the barrel, she's just going to curl the bottoms under. And there we go, guys. That's how it's done. Thanks for joining us today.